Have you ever thought about capturing every moment while you are on the road? Dash cams are perfect for recording your drives, capturing unexpected events, and adding extra security while you are driving. If you are looking for the best dash cams available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the THINKWARE X800. THINKWARE Dash Cam offers dual-channel recording with a 2K QHD front camera and a 1080 pixels rear camera, ensuring clear video quality for both front and rear views. The wide viewing angles, 150 degrees in the front and 160 degrees in the rear, maximize coverage, capturing essential details on the road. Equipped with a 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen, the THINKWARE provides easy access to settings, video playback, and driver assistance alerts. This touchscreen control simplifies the user experience, allowing drivers to manage the camera's functions quickly and intuitively. One of the standout features of the THINKWARE is its Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, which enhances road safety by providing alerts for lane departure and forward collision risks. Additionally, the Safety Camera Alert feature, enabled by GPS, warns drivers of upcoming red light and speed cameras, helping avoid unwanted fines. The dash cam is also equipped with Super Night Vision, which improves image clarity in low-light conditions, making nighttime recording clearer and more reliable. The THINKWARE is built with a 24-hour parking surveillance mode, which is activated via a hardwiring cable. This mode detects both motion and impact around the vehicle, capturing incidents even when the car is parked, while also protecting the car's battery from draining. Included accessories such as the hardwiring cable, 12-volt car charger, adhesive cable clips, and a 32 GB micro SD card ensure that setup is straightforward. In black with adhesive mounting, this dash cam is designed to integrate seamlessly into any vehicle, combining functionality with a sleek, unobtrusive appearance. The 4th product on this list is the Garmin Dash Cam 56. The Garmin Dash Cam 56 is a compact and discreet dash cam that captures high-quality footage to enhance safety and provide peace of mind while driving. Designed for ease of use and convenience, this camera features a wide 140-degree field of view, enabling it to record detailed 1440 pixels HE video with Garmin's Clarity HER technology, which improves visibility even in low-light conditions. The dash cam is equipped with automatic incident detection and recording, ensuring that any critical moments on the road are saved. A built-in GPS tags location data to video recordings, making it easier to review events and track routes when necessary. This Garmin model supports voice control in multiple languages, allowing drivers to manage functions hands-free. Users can save a video, capture a photo, or control audio recording simply by speaking commands. The Garmin Dash Cam 56 also includes advanced driver alerts like forward collision and lane departure warnings to enhance safety. Additionally, Go alerts help bring the driver's attention back to the road when the vehicle ahead begins to move. For added functionality, the Dash Cam auto-syncs with the Garmin Drive app, which enables users to access and playback footage on their smartphone. The app even supports syncing up to 4 dash cams, offering comprehensive coverage from multiple angles. The device includes essential accessories like a low-profile magnetic mount, vehicle power cables, and a dual USB power adapter, making setup straightforward. The Garmin Dash Cam 56 combines sophisticated technology with convenience, making it an ideal choice for those seeking reliable, high-resolution recording in a compact design. Still haven't found the best dash cam for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the VIOFO A229 Pro. The VIOFO Pro is a top choice for anyone looking for high-quality recording on the road. This dash cam features dual flagship Sony Starbus 2 image sensors, the IMX678 for the front and IMX675 for the rear, delivering stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 2K resolution for the rear. This ensures clear, detailed images day and night, including smooth footage for capturing license plates and other vital details. The inclusion of HDR technology enhances low-light performance, allowing the Dashcam to provide sharp and clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions, such as at night or in high-speed scenarios. One standout feature of the VIOFO Pro is its 24/7 parking protection. With 3 parking modes, auto event detection, low bitrate, and time-lapse, it offers flexible options for recording events even when you're not driving. The Dashcam detects moving objects and automatically starts recording and storing video footage before and after an event. Additionally, its hands-free voice control makes it easy to operate without distraction, with 12 commands to manage functions like taking photos, locking videos, or turning on Wi-Fi. The VIOFO Pro also includes faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity with the VIOFO app, allowing for easy configuration, video previews, and sharing on your mobile device. The ultra-precise GPS logger supports multiple satellite systems for accurate vehicle location and speed tracking, ensuring every video is stamped with the precise data you need. The second product on this list is the RexingUSA V2 Pro AI. The RexingUSA V2 Pro AI Dash Cam is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle safety with high-quality video recording. This 3-channel dash cam captures footage from the front, inside the cabin, and rear of your car, offering a wide 170 degrees field of view to ensure that every angle is covered. Each camera records in 1080 pixels Full HD at 30 frames per second, providing clear, detailed footage. The front and cabin cameras feature a 330 degrees swivel angle, allowing you to adjust the view to fit your needs. Equipped with advanced AI features, the RexingUSA Dash Cam provides useful safety alerts. It includes front collision warning, pedestrian alert, and lane departure warning to help prevent accidents and ensure a safer drive. Additionally, the Clear to Go alert notifies you when the car ahead at a traffic light has moved, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to proceed. This dash cam also includes built-in Wi-Fi and a mobile app, making it easy to access and manage your recordings. You can view and download videos directly to your iOS or Android device and even share them on social media. The integrated GPS feature allows you to track your route on Google Maps, adding extra convenience and accuracy to your recordings. The RexingUSA features loop recording, a gravity sensor, and a parking monitor. When the memory card is full, it automatically overwrites the oldest recordings, and the gravity sensor locks the video in case of any impact while driving. Before we reveal the top dash cams on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top dash cam is the Vantrue N4 Pro. The Vantrue N4 Pro 3 uses the latest Sony Starvis 2 sensor, delivering an impressive 4K resolution on the front camera, while the rear and interior cameras provide 1080p video. This setup ensures that the camera captures everything around your car, front, rear, and inside, helping to prevent fraudulent claims and providing peace of mind for daily drivers, Uber drivers, or family trips. The camera features Vantrue's exclusive Plate Pix technology, which allows for clear license plate recognition even in challenging lighting conditions, making it easier to capture important details day or night. The Dashcam's 24/7 protection system includes 4 parking modes with upgraded motion detection, which helps conserve storage space by only recording significant events. It also captures video from 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after motion is detected, ensuring full event documentation. This protection is enhanced with a supercapacitor that ensures the camera performs well in extreme temperatures ranging from -14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. For convenience, the N4 Pro includes voice control with 12 commands, such as taking photos or locking video files, so you can control the camera without taking your hands off the wheel. Additional features like built-in GPS and Wi-Fi make it easy to view and share your recordings via the Vantrue app. You can also install the optional anti-glare CPL filter to reduce reflections, ensuring the camera delivers clear images in all conditions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.